not going to be difficult when I do answer your questions. And then say, go arrest my dad. It doesn't work that way.
I don't need you to arrest my dad right now. I just need...
Okay. Do you want me to get a restraining order? Do you want me to go arrest him? Okay? We go hand in hand. If you're telling me he molested you repeatedly for several years, that's an arrestable offense. If you're saying you want a restraining order, okay, that is a restriction of his liberties also. I need the facts. I need you to answer questions. You're going to have to go in front of a court at some point and say, yep, that's what he did.
I can do that,
It
yes.
doesn't work this way. Okay, and you're telling me so there's nobody that you can stay with that you can talk to or you can be safe with. You can't stay with your mother. Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
Why?
Because the court ordered full custody to my father.
Why would the court do that if you were molested?
The court ruled that there was not enough evidence that I was molested to do so, despite the fact that there was far more than enough evidence to fulfill the preponderance of evidence requirement in family court.
So did you have, what kind of evidence did you have?
I had my... I have me. I'm a very... At least I was, apparently.
What else do you have other than that cooperative victim?
Well, my brothers can corroborate some of the abuse, the later abuse, not the abuse in the beginning, but they can cooperate other times. Yes, and they can corroborate that my father took me out of my bed and made me sleep with him. Of course, this is later, not in the beginning, but...
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
By itself, sleeping with your child is not criminal. I sleep with my 4-year-old all the time.
No, but seeing as I am reporting something that sounds like abuse, and it's corroborated by the fact that I'm sleeping with him, it would be enough to fulfill preponderance of evidence, which is only a 50% chance.
That's not true. That's not true. I think what happens is I think you're reading these websites or you're listening to somebody who, knows a little bit and watched a couple of episodes of Law and Order or something like that. That is not accurate.
Okay, why would a court...
You have to prove... Hold on. I'm trying to explain it to you again.
Okay.
I'm trying to explain it to you again.
Okay.
You have to prove, in order to make an allegation like this, you have to prove that these things are for sexual gratification. I have pictures of my children nude. That is not for sexual gratification. I'm not a child pornographer. I have pictures of my kids in a bathtub or in the swimming pool skinny dipping. That is not for sexual gratification. Okay? That is a picture of my kids. Now, so the effect is the same where the children are both in both types of pictures and the children are nude. But there's not a sexual component to what is going on. Just because your brother saw your dad taking a nap with you or in the same bed with you does not mean that your dad is a child molester.
No, I wasn't saying that. I think that...
There's a preponderance of evidence because they can verify that, yes, your dad made you sleep with him. Well, that doesn't mean anything. That doesn't corroborate a sexual molestation at all.
Okay.
And then every time I ask you a question, you say, well, it's on this video, and I'm telling you, that's not evidence. You need to tell me what happened.
Okay,
We have to go through incident by incident, time by time, fact by fact, because there's multiple crimes. When someone rubs their penis on your back, there's multiple crimes that could be happening.
Okay. Well, as I said before...
Go through. Now, if you're not willing to do that with me, I don't know what to do for you.
Okay. Well, I can't do that with you right now. I will think about it and call you back when I have a better opportunity to do that with you. And I will take what you said into...
Do you
consideration.
About how rotten. You're going to post a YouTube video about how rotten I am and I didn't want to help you, or what are you going to do?
I'm not sure what I'm going to do right now.
You said all the stuff about Dean Flippo about how he's not helping you, but he's trying to. He's actually more restricted than I am as far as what he can talk to you about. Okay, I have to be very specific about what I talk to you about. So now I'm concerned that you're going to go on YouTube right now and do a 10-minute video about how Deputy Mitchell wouldn't take your report, or Deputy Mitchell wanted to ask you a bunch of questions, and, you're not being cooperative with Deputy Mitchell.
Okay. Well, I understand that. I'm sorry that you think I'm being uncooperative, as I tried to explain before. Apparently I don't have a good understanding.
Are you listed as a runaway right now? Are you listed as a runaway right now?
I might be listed as a runaway, yes, I'm unsure.
What's your birthday?
August 29th, 1996. What was that?
Okay. So, I need to get a hold of Grandma. Do you have a phone number for Grandma?
No, I don't have a phone number for her on hand.
Do you have a phone number for brothers?
I have a phone number for my father that I have memorized, but I don't have a list of numbers with me right now.
Okay, do you have a phone number for Mom?
Yes, I think so. Let me try to remember it.
What's Mom's name?
Cindy Dumas. Dumas spelled D-U-M-A-S.
Okay. Where does she live?
She lives at 14877 Fox Hunt Lane.
What city?
San Diego, California.
What's your phone number?
I'm trying to remember it, but I don't think I have it memorized. I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay, you said you reported this incident to San Diego Sheriff's Office or Police Department. Were they wearing blue uniforms or tan uniforms?
This was 10 years ago, so I'm not going to remember the kind of uniforms they were wearing, but I do believe it was the police department.
Okay. So, I'll see if I can dig up the file, but then I'm probably going to have it available, so it's going to take a while. I don't think you're going to get your restraining order by Friday. I work tomorrow at 3:30. I'll be available. You can call the sheriff's office, go to some place, go to a payphone or something, and I'll call you back. I got to interview you. I need to get all the details. I have to go incident by incident, line by line. Okay?
Okay.
What happened each time? Then I can deal with your father.
Okay. I will consider that and call you back.
Okay, and you're now, you're not going to give me your phone number, you're not going to give me contact information, you're not going to tell me where you're at.
No, I may give you my contact information when I call you back, but I'm processing right now, and I'm not sure what the best decision is to make right now.
Well, the best decision is for you not to be on the run right now. That is the best decision. We're not.
Well,
the best decision right
the only other option to being on the run is being with my father, who has done a lot of things that I did not have time to tell you right now. There are other options, but if I came out from on the run right now, I would be sent with my father. And until there are other options.
Where's your dad live?
148, no, that's wrong. 14489 Crestwood Avenue.
What?
Crestwood Avenue.
14489 Crestwood.
Yes, and that's in Poway, California, which is in San Diego County.
San Diego County.
Yes.
What's your dad's name?
Eric Moelter. 858 603 4664.
This is probably going to be a San Diego County case because you're living down there, he's living down there, you're on the run down there, I'm sure. You're not on the run up here. Yes, it happened up here, but they can get the case started. They're going to be the ones dealing with CTF to get you away from him. And they're going to be the ones doing a restraining order to get you away from him.
Okay,
So
well, I have long experience with San Diego. I've come to the conclusion that they are not out to protect me, though if abuse with corroboration does not fulfill a over 50% chance that it happened, perhaps the law is written poorly, I'm unsure. But I will perhaps call you back and we can discuss this further. I'm sorry that you thought I was being uncooperative. That was not my intent.
Well, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you, put you in a position that you can help yourself, so I can help you. And
As am I. It's simply a difficult situation, and I may or may not talk to you later. But I must say goodbye right now. So.
All right, good luck.
Okay, you too.